Hello guys, good morning everybody. I hope your day is good today. Today I will show you how to make a red head agame lizard. Come on guys. You need a blue clay. Now we will do like this. It's pretty hard though guys. Then you need a piece of like this. Okay guys? Then we will do like this. Then you get the piece like this, right? Then take the red clay and twist it very hard. I have a nice trick to you how to take hard clay. You have to twist it, twist it, twist it and twist it. Then the hard clay will come, okay? Try that at home. Then if it's too big, then we have to take it off a little bit. Then we will do it what I told before. Then we'll get like a piece of this, right? Then we will join it here. Don't worry, I'm not using glue. Then I have a nice trick how to attach clay to clay. You have to use the blue clay or the red clay jointing like this. Look, like smoothing with our hands. See? Then you get like this. Okay? Then I will do it like this. Then the perfect shape will come out. Next, we will slide the little head off. Then take some red clay again, little piece only, this much. Then you'll do like this, like this, like this, like this. Then you get a piece like this. Then we will attach here. If you don't want it to fall down, it's always like that. Then we will take this piece and smooth it like this. Okay guys? Then attach it here. Then, can you see the line? Attach the line to it too. Then smooth it clearly with your hands, guys. Like the same side of other sides. You'll get like this. Don't worry, don't be sad if you have this. I have a nice trick for you to do like that. You have like this piece, then roll it. Then don't, if you get too long, you can just doing like this and do it like this. Then you will join it, same way I told you before. The head, then you will just do it like this for making the head a little more smaller. Then you will smoothly smooth it. Then do it like this. You get the lizard head, okay? Next, we will little bit slide our neck up. Next, it looks like a T-Rex head, right? Next, you take another rest piece and do it, flattening it and put it here. A lizard face. Then you close it like this. Okay guys? Then you take any old black piece clay. Then we will join it here. So like that guys? Yes? Then that don't think that is same finger, that is eye. Next, we will take another blue piece and do the same way and get it like this. Okay guys? Then we will show you like the same way we have to make it like a needle. Then join it here. It's summer in Bahrain, so hot, like a desert, guys. I'm dying in this desert. I wish it was snowing here, but Bahrain is an island, right? So it will not snow. Next, see, you get a hand on it. If you love this Agam lizard, click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell and give this video a big fat thumbs up. Next, we'll do like this. Then the same way like this. It's okay if the difference comes of the hand. You adjust. I will show you how to make if the hand became different. Then, don't worry guys, you can do it. Comment down below what should I make for the next time. Guys. And we will take another part of the clay. Now. Oh guys, I'm finished. I hope you liked the video, okay? Okay.